Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I got a 2006 F150 that I'm pretty sure the blower resistor is shot in it. It used to work, now I just got off and max speed number 4. Other issues that could be causing the blower resistor to be bad is fan won't turn off even with the ignition off, won't run at all, runs at certain speeds like the issue I got. Anyways, this is actually pretty easy to change. Let's get started. F150, the blower resistors located behind the glove box. So once you open it up, squeeze the 2 tabs and the glove box falls down. So I'm just gonna turn the ignition on to show you. So you can see right there, fan on number 1, nothing. Number 2, nothing. 3, nothing. And then 4, we got power. So you can see, and dig up my hand, pull a plug out. I just pulled that plug out. The heater resistor is held in place by 2 8mm screws. They're a little awkward. This is the one I'm gonna try. Got this from the junkyard. It was the only one left, so I don't know if it works or not. We're about to find out. It's kind of awkward. People want to see some wrenching, so all you're seeing is my big hand, but you get the point. That one and that one, so let's remove it. Both screws are out. Reach in with my sausage fingers. Slide her out. Take our hopefully good used one. Slide it back in there. Gonna plug it in. I ultimately want to try it first before I go through the trouble of screwing it in. So I haven't got the fan resistor bolted down yet. There we go. We're fixed up. Let's put the bolts back in. This job will take about 10 minutes depending on how small your hands are to get inside. And then back in business. Alright, well I'm going to end the video there. Pretty quick and dirty. You know the biggest challenge is going to be is if you got big sausage fingers like mine to get them in there, to get those 2 little screws out. Otherwise, you're looking at 10 minutes max. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it fixed you up. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And please check out my channel for other F-150 repair videos.